How is a marriage usually annulled in the Philippines? The Philippines is the only country on earth that does not have a divorce law. Anyone who wants to legally dissolve a marriage in the Philippines has her work cut out for her. Lacking divorce, married persons who seek to dissolve their union here often resort to filing a petition for declaration of nullity of the marriage. This is different from divorce. Whereas divorce ends a marriage, the legal fiction applied to a marriage declared null and void is that it never truly came into effect. That, in a sense, the marriage never happened at all. The most common legal ground for nullity is psychological incapacity, under Article 36 of the Family Code. It is the claim that one or both of the spouses is psychologically incapacitated to perform the essential marital obligations at the time of the celebration of their marriage. The Supreme Court has defined psychological incapacity as the downright incapacity or inability to take cognizance of and to assume the basic marital obligations. The amount of legalese in that last sentence speaks of how complicated such a case for psychological incapacity can get. The burden of proving psychological incapacity is on the plaintiff. The plaintiff must prove that the psychologically incapacitated party suffers a disorder that completely disables him or her from understanding and discharging the essential obligations of the marital state. The psychological problem must be grave, must have existed at the time of marriage, and must be incurable. There is a lot of jurisprudence on psychological incapacity. Decades of Supreme Court rulings have laid down, restated, and reconsidered what it is and how to prove it. It's gotten pretty complicated. A review of the cases shows an odd mix of reactionary wariness, of psychological incapacity as providing for the most liberal divorce procedure in the world, mingled with a continuing exegesis of the surprisingly less conservative Catholic doctrine on the concept. Article 36 was lifted in spirit from Catholic canon law. As it stands, it is best that an expert psychologist should testify to the psychological incapacity of one or both of the spouses. The facts must be proven from both the testimony and report of the psychologist, as well as from other evidence. We will delve into this in greater detail in the next video. Thank you for watching. For more videos, you can watch this channel. For more content and online consultations, you can find us on lawyerphilippines.org.